What's up everyone, Nutrition Dash over here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the 9 foods which help you lose weight. Delicious foods that help you diet. Sounds too good to be true, isn't it? No doubt weight loss comes down to simple math. You have to eat fewer calories than you burn. Certain foods can help you shed body weight because they help you feel full longer and help curb cravings. Some even kick up your metabolism. So the next time you visit the supermarket, make sure to take this list with you. The first food on our list is beans. Inexpensive, filling and versatile. Beans are a great source of protein. Beans are also high in fiber and slow to digest. That means you feel full longer, which may stop you from eating more. The second food on our list is soup. Start making meal with a cup of soup and you may end up eating less. It doesn't matter if the soup is chunky or pureed. As long as it's broth-based, you want to keep the soup to 100 to 150 calories a serving. The food number 3 on our list is dark chocolate. Want to enjoy chocolate between meals? Pick a square or two of dark over the milky version. In one study, chocolate lovers who were given dark chocolate ate 15% less pizza few hours later than those who had eaten milk chocolate. The food number 4 on our list is pureed vegetables. You can add more veggies to your diet, enjoy your cheat foods and cut back on the calories you're eating, all at the same time. When researchers added pureed cauliflower and zucchini to mac and cheese, people seemed to like the dish just as much, but they ate 200 to 350 fewer calories. Those healthy vegetables added low-calorie bulk to the tasty dish. The food number 5 on our list is eggs. A protein-rich breakfast may help you resist snack attacks throughout the day. In a study of a group of obese young women, those who started the day with 35 grams of protein, that's probably way more than you're eating, felt fuller right away. The women ate a 350 calorie breakfast that included eggs. The effect of the high protein breakfast seemed to last into the evening, when the women lunched less on fatty, sugary goods than the women who had cereal for breakfast. The food number 6 on our list is nuts. For a great snack on the run, take a small handful of almonds, peanuts, walnuts or pecans. Research shows that when people munch on nuts, they automatically eat less at later meals. The food number 7 on our list is apples. Skip the apple juice and the apple sauce and opt instead for a crunchy apple. Whole fruit blunts appetite in a way that fruit juices and sauces don't. One reason is that raw fruit has more fiber, plus chewing sends signal to your brain that you've eaten something substantial. The food number 8 on our list is yogurt. Whether you prefer Greek or traditional, yogurt can be good for your waistline. A Harvard study followed more than 120,000 people for a decade or longer. Yogurt, of all the foods that were tracked, was most closely linked to weight loss. That doesn't prove that yogurt caused weight loss, but it stood out among other foods. The last food on our list is grapefruit. Yes, grapefruit really can help you shed pounds, especially if you are at a risk for diabetes. Researchers at a clinic in San Diego found that when obese people ate half a grapefruit before each meal, they dropped an average of 3.5 pounds over 12 weeks. Drinking grapefruit juice had the same result. But grapefruit juice doesn't have any proven fat-burning properties. It may just have helped people feel full. Well, that's it for today, folks. If you guys learned something new, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.